Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you all in a good condition and also in your spirit in studying. Okay, students. Last meeting you have discussed about gratitude and apology. Pertemuan sebelumnya kalian sudah belajar tentang gratitude and apology. Do you know what is the meaning of gratitude and apology in Indonesia? Sudah tahu apa artinya apology and gratitude in Indonesia? Ya, gratitude in Indonesian means terima kasih atau ungkapan terima kasih or thanking. Ya, jadi gratitude dalam bahasa Indonesia bermakna berterima kasih. And apology means permohonan maaf. Sedangkan kata apology bermakna permohonan maaf. Nah, in the last meeting, you have learned about the expressions of gratitude and apology. Pada pertemuan sebelumnya, kalian sudah belajar tentang expression atau ungkapan yang digunakan untuk berterima kasih dan meminta maaf dalam bahasa Inggris. Now, you will learn the example of dialogue of gratitude and apology. Hari ini kalian akan belajar contoh dialog gratitude and apology. Alright, we will start from the example of apology dialogue. Jadi kita akan mulai dari contoh dialog apology atau permohonan maaf. There are two examples of dialogue. Ada dua contoh dialog di sini. I would like to read it for you. Please listen carefully. Saya akan membacakan dialog ini dan tolong simak dengan baik. After that, I will translate the dialogue into Indonesian. Setelah itu kita akan menerjemahkan dialog ini ke dalam bahasa Indonesia. Okay, let's start now. Dialogue 1. Sorry sir, I am late. It's all right. Why are you late, Saiful? I got up at 7 in the morning, sir. I had watched TV until 11 at night. You must sleep early. Please don't do that anymore. Dialog 1 adalah percakapan between Saiful and Mr. Sidu, di antara Saiful dan Mr. Sidu. Sorry sir, I am late. Maaf Pak, saya terlambat. It's alright. Why are you late, Saiful? Tidak masalah. Kenapa kamu terlambat, Saiful? I got up at 7 in the morning. Sir, I had watched TV until 11 at night. Saya bangun jam 7 pagi, Pak. Karena saya melihat TV sampai jam 11 malam. Mr. Sidu said, Pak Sidu berkata, you must sleep early. Please don't do that anymore. Kamu harus tidur lebih awal. Tolong jangan ulangi lagi ya. And the second one is a dialogue between Samanu and Divadi. Contoh yang kedua adalah dialog antara Samanu dan Divadi. I can't get the printer to work. Did you check to see if it had paper? Yeah. That's the first thing I checked. Can you help me? I'm so sorry. I can't. You might have to call the technician. Okay, dialog dari Samanu. I can't get the printer to work. Saya tidak bisa mengoperasikan printer ini. Divadi said, did you check to see if it had paper? Apakah kamu sudah mengecek di dalam printer itu sudah ada kertasnya? Yeah, that's the first thing I checked. Can you help me? Ya, itu adalah hal pertama yang aku lakukan. Bisakah kamu membantuku? I'm so sorry, I can't. Maaf, saya nggak bisa. You might have to call the technician. Kamu harus memanggil technician atau ya technician gitu ya. Oke. Nah, itu tadi adalah contoh dialog apology atau permohonan maaf. Now we come to the second dialogue about gratitude. The first dialogue, it's between Ali and Huda. Hi, I have got something for you. Really? What is that? Here you are. Oh, thank you very much for your kindness. It was the least I could do. This is the only thing I want right now. I have been looking for this novel for months, but I couldn't find it anywhere. How could you find it? I got it from an online shop, and this is the only one I can find. Thank you so much. Don't mention it. Jadi ini dialog antara Ali dan Huda. Kita artikan ya. Hi, I have got something for you. Hai, aku punya sesuatu untukmu. Really? What is that? Benarkah? Apa itu? Here you are. Ini dia. Oh, thank you very much for your kindness. Oh, terima kasih atas kebaikanmu. It was the least I could do. Ini adalah satu-satunya yang bisa aku lakukan. This is the only thing I want right now. Ini adalah satu-satunya benda yang aku inginkan sekarang. I have been looking for this novel for months. Saya sudah mencari novel ini berbulan-bulan. But I couldn't find it anywhere. Tapi saya tidak bisa menemukannya dimanapun. How could you find it? Bagaimana kamu bisa mendapatkannya? I got it from an online shop. Saya mendapatkannya dari sebuah toko online. And this is the only one I can find. Dan ini satu-satunya yang bisa aku temukan. Thank you so much. Terima kasih banyak. Don't mention it. Tidak masalah. Nah, next kita ke dialog 2 between Mia and Maya. It's so hot here. That's right. I feel so sultry. It's because the air condition is being repaired. It's broken. Do you have a fan or something else to cool down? I don't have it, but I'll try to open the window. Hope it will be better. Thank you very much. Not at all. Ini sangat kita artikan ya. Ini dialog antara Mia dan Maya. It's so hot here. Sangat panas sekali di sini ya. That's right. Betul sekali. I feel so sultry. Saya terasa terbakar. It's because the air conditioner is being repaired. Ini karena AC-nya sedang diservis. It's broken. Dia sedang rusak. Do you have a fan or something else to cool down? Apakah kamu punya kipas angin atau sesuatu untuk mendinginkan? I don't have it. Saya nggak punya. But I'll try to open the window. Tapi saya akan mencoba untuk membuka jendela. Hope it will be better. Saya harap udaranya, itu kembali ke udara ya. Udaranya bisa lebih baik. Thank you very much. Terima kasih banyak. Not at all. Sama-sama. Nah, anak-anak, itu tadi adalah 4 contoh dialog of gratitude and apology. 4 contoh dialog gratitude and apology. Tugas kalian adalah silahkan dicatat dialog tentang gratitude and apology ini. 4 dialog ini kalian catat di buku tulis. Kemudian kalian beri tanda, bisa di garis bawahi, atau kalau punya stabilo boleh di stabilo kalimat atau ungkapan yang termasuk dalam apology dan gratitude beserta dengan responnya atau maknanya. Itu ya. Baik anak-anak, selamat belajar. Thank you very much for your attention, and the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.